Want to enable notifications when your wrist is down on your Apple Watch? By default, the watch may delay or hide notifications when it's not raised. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure notifications appear even when your wrist is down. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down again. Tap Always On. Scroll down once again. Tap Show Notifications. Now toggle on the Show Notifications from here. If you scroll down, you can see Apps. Here you can enable or disable notifications for specific apps as well. And this is how you can enable notifications when your wrist is down on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned.